God is opening better doors for you. Hi there, kumusta ka? Feeling mo ba ngayon nasa dead-end situation ka? Hindi mo maintindihan why God suddenly closed a door. Yung door na matagal mong pinangarap. Yung door na feeling mo yun yung magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Today, may you be encouraged that every closed door is God's way of saying, "Trust me, my child. I am opening better doors for you." God has a better plan and preparing something greater for you. God never wastes your tears. Every closed door, every trial, every waiting season, lahat yon may purpose. You may not understand it now and you don't need to understand. All you need to do is to trust the one who holds your future. What's meant for you will always find you. Better doors are opening now. So as you stand in the season of uncertainty and waiting, trust, no eye